If you want to start a YouTube channel, it is important that you get started with the video making process with whatever equipment you have. I did the same. Last month, when I started my own YouTube channel, I used my smartphone to shoot the videos and edited them on my laptop. However, with time, you need to upgrade your equipment. That's why I decided to buy a tripod which would allow me to shoot videos in a more professional manner. While there are plenty of options available for tripods on the internet, I went for a lightweight one from Amazon Basics and it was delivered this morning. Hello, my name is Sourav and welcome to my channel Techie Sourav. Let's get started. So this is the package that arrived this morning, and without further ado, let's unbox it first and see what's inside. The box contains a smartphone holder and the tripod. There is this bubble level indicator which allows you to know whether the tripod legs are properly leveled or not. The tripod is 68 cm long when the legs are folded, and it can be extended up to 210 cm. Let's be honest, this is not exactly the best tripod you can get from the internet. However, if you want to get started with the video making process, this is a decent enough option to consider for a tripod. The build quality is quite poor and it can only hold your smartphones or digicam. Do not even try to mount any DSLR or a heavy equipment on top of this tripod. The tripod is available on Amazon.in at a price of only 319 rupees. Which is much lower than all the other options available on the internet. I hope you have found this video useful. So give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to it. I publish tech related videos on a regular basis. Thanks for watching.